this is the wheel. Very minor differences. I didn't want to do one with like a quick release or something that gets rid of the airbag. Like this is a street car, you know. I'm not trying to race car this thing yet, you know. I still want it to be comfortable, you know, have all my, you know, safety stuff in place or whatever. So the difference is here. It's got some perforated leather on the side for better grip. It's more of like a pistol grip on the sides, like more, you know, ergonomic, I guess, if you want to be fancy. It's got a flat bottom. Sometimes they call these like D-shaped wheels. You know, that gives you a little more clearance on the bottom side, and it just helps you know where the bottom is. And it's got this ring up top. I call this like a center indicator. So like you just kind of know, like off the side in your peripheral, you know where the position of wheel is. It's just more sporty looking. The red stitching pops out more. So it's just better, okay? It's just a little bit snazzier than stock, but it's nothing too over the top. The leather is a lot stronger and durable. Like I tried scratching this in a place you wouldn't see, and the same effort that I put into scratching that wheel, it doesn't do anything to this one. It's a lot stronger. So yeah, subtle, but hoping it's gonna make a difference and feel better in my hand. That sounded weird. To take the airbag off, you've got like 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom. Just depress it. Or you know what, I can show you with this new wheel. Right here, these little clips. You push that in, you push that in. That's for the sides, this is for the bottom. So you're just trying to push those and then the airbag pops out. All right. Don't put that in. That's what she said. Dude, I can't do nothing. What's going on? I'm not used to Hondas.
What are you used to?
Like, I don't know, nothing. Alright, airbag is undone. Oh, there we go. And disconnect the battery before you do any of this, because it could pop. Is this battery disconnected? Hell no, it's not. But all right, so in the middle looks like we have a 10mm 6-point, like hex. We're going to get my socket, get that big bolt out of the middle, and then I'm gonna swap all the, I don't know, trim and stuff over to the new wheel.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Once that shit goes off. That would be some crazy shit. Huh?
I know, right? That'd be a good video. What you think, man?
It's nice. I like it.
Brother,
What's up, brother?
why isn't the volume working? Okay, now we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Just, sheesh. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I like it, man. It's not too much, you know. It's just a little better.
I like
The what part?
it.
Flat at the bottom. It's for big backs to have more room. What do you get it? Yeah, man. I'm gonna go drive it, make sure it's straight. I might have to do an alignment. Cause I took it off center, but it went on like it was either a little this way or a little this way. Let's go drive. Ready? I'm gonna see if the steering wheel made it faster. You ready? Yeah, it made it faster.
Oh my god. That would be some crazy shit. We'll fucking die, bro.
Nah, yeah, bro. I'd fucking suck on it and turn it with my mouth.
Oh my god.